Hello, this is Trifonas Papadopoulos. I hope you are all doing well. Today we're going to be talking about Power Query inside Excel. Let's suppose that Excel could do more than just spreadsheets. From Power Query automation and interactive dashboards to dynamic product images, slicers, AI-generated descriptions, and real-time reporting. This custom Excel solution transforms raw data into business intelligence. One of the biggest limitations of Excel dashboards and mini ERP systems is image handling. Embedding hundreds of images manually inside worksheets quickly makes Excel slow, heavy, difficult to refresh, and almost impossible to scale. To solve this problem, I created a dynamic thumbnail management system using Power Query, VBA automation, external image files. Let's see how it works. So in order to see how this works, we need to see first what we've got. We've got a customer's XLS Excel file, customer ID, customer name, city. We've got a products Excel file, product ID, product name, category, unit price, product images file name, that is the thumbnail. And here we have product images file name description that is created with OpenAI. Let's close that for now. And we have also orders. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 orders. And here we have a customer ID, we have a product ID, we have a date, we have quantity, we have a salesperson. And we want to combine all this together in a Power Query inside Excel. So what we will do, we will close all that, and we will gonna use this macro that will do that for us. So I'm gonna press that, and here you see all these three Excel files combined: order ID, date, customer name, city, product ID, product name, category, quantity, unit price, total sales, salesperson, product images. Here you don't see yet the thumbnails. Here you have the product image file names, and here you have the description coming from products. So if we just go to macros and we press this that says this button that says add thumbnail to Power Query merge, and we're gonna do it for all, and we go back with this. Now we see that we've got product images thumbnails for any. If we click on any of them, we can see them. And here we can see the description for each of these two images. So the first one is chair 3, the second one is chair 2, chair 3, chair 2. Now if we want to take it one step further, we can use this Power Query to create an interactive dashboard. We're gonna see that for a minute. So we go here, and we're gonna create an interactive dashboard with slicers. So now what we've got from this Power Query is that we have a sum of total sales per category, and here we have sum of total sales per product, and here we have the 3 slicers: category, salesperson, and city. And here we have a sales by category chart, and a second chart, top 5 selling products. And the last part of this dashboard, which can be improved, is top product images, keyboard, the actual image, and again the sales, the total sales. So keyboard, desk, laptop, office chair, that is for all categories and all products. But if we will just want to do that for furniture, everything changes except this last part. But what we're gonna do is that we're gonna go here and refresh top 5 product images, and now we have again for furniture top product images, desk, again the image, and the sales value, total sales value, and the same stands for office chair, and the total sales value for this category. I hope you found this tutorial interesting, and if you do, please subscribe. One last thing I should mention is that these 2 macros, VBA code for button import existing files and Power Query merge, is exported, and you need also this button, add thumbnail to Power Query merge. These 2 you can find on in this post, and you can download it from, let's find it for a minute, just a minute, here, view VBA macros, and you can download it from here. Okay, thank you very much, and as I said, if you like this tutorial, please do subscribe. Thank you very much.